Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena. It's currently 8:19. I'm in the car because we have to run a couple errands. It's a very cold one out this morning. My jacket is not zipped up all the way like it should be, but it's okay because we're in the car. I'll show you. I have my sweatpants on and these keep me somewhat warm. After we get done where we're at now, we have to go pick up our groceries. We just did like a grocery order before like the big snowstorm, because who knows how many days we'll be inside for, or how many days, we won't be able to go anywhere for. So, but after we pick up our grocery order, we have to go home, unload the groceries, put them away, and then whatnot. And I'll need to eat breakfast. So follow along with me on this cold day getting ready for the snow for this weekend. I am home from getting my groceries. I'm gonna change into my workout clothes and go eat breakfast and then work out. So since it's gonna snow this weekend, I got some stuff for chili. This is obviously for my salads. These are good for like inflammation. I saw some. I got, for my chili, I got diced tomatoes, 2 cans, tomato sauce right here, and then I got kidney beans, which when we make the chili, that'll be Sunday, because that's when I'll do my meal prep. I also have like these black beans right here, so we'll add those two. I'm gonna add corn because that's what I like to do. The lean ground turkey is in the freezer in the basement, so that's all taken care of. I feel like chili is so good on like a cold, snowy day. Any type of soup, really. I got more whipped cream for like hot chocolate. I've been using the Fairlife chocolate milk because it doesn't spike my blood sugar as bad. Or sometimes like I notice if I use the sugar-free hot chocolate packets, because those still have carbs. I mean, the Fairlife chocolate milk has carbs in it too. But sometimes the sugar-free hot chocolate packets, those spike my blood sugar sometimes. So I guess it's the sugar in that or something. I don't know. It's not completely sugar-free, but it's okay. It's all good. Okay, I'm gonna charge my phone up a little bit and get ready for work. I got this little salad bowl thing. It comes with like, obviously salad, tomato, chicken, and then some bacon, and then it came with ranch. So that's what I'm having for lunch. It's 6 carbs, so I bolus that. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch, and then get my snack ready. So we'll be back in a little bit. I am currently home from work. I already ate dinner. I'm like working out right now, doing like my evening after dinner workout, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing that after I get done dinner. Have a couple updates for you guys. So, well, one update for you guys. So we'll do that, and then so stay tuned to see what my update is. Okay, I'm done working out. Usually I do an ab workout or like a core workout. That's what it's called on my Apple Watch. I start going like during my workout. I'm like, here, I'll show you guys. I'm 68. Going down at an angle. Just going down to like 90 when I was doing my workout. So we gotta get that blood sugar up. That's why I can't do my ab workout. Plus, I don't know, I feel drained today. I think it's the weather. I really don't know. Okay, that was awkward. I did not want to eat my glucose tab. Like, okay, but it's okay. It's okay. It might have been because I got up a little bit earlier than normal, so I don't know. We'll see. I do need to take a shower still. And I need to prep my oats for tomorrow morning. So come on with me while I prep my oats for tomorrow morning and make the coffee for tomorrow morning. Okay, so I'm picking my oats overnight flavor, and there's so many. There's like, they're all so good, so it's hard for me sometimes because I'm like, what flavor do I want, you know? So there's butter pecan ice cream. That one sounds pretty good. This is a subscriber exclusive. There's also oatmeal raisin cookie. That sounds pretty good too. I don't know. There's so many good ones. I still have pumpkin pie. Okay, I'm gonna be basic. Yeah, I'm gonna be basic and go with the coconut cream pie. Maybe since it's supposed to snow this weekend, we'll do the peppermint mocha. Okay, we'll do that. Or do we want to try the oatmeal raisin cookie? We'll try the oatmeal raisin cookie, actually. We'll do that. We'll see how it tastes. I don't know. It's a subscriber exclusive, so I've never tried it before, so. Normally they do come out like with the subscriber exclusive flavors. They'll make them flavor packets like within the next month or so. So you know, it all just kind of depends. I guess on like the feedback they get, because usually I have to get like a feedback. I have to give a feedback on like their subscriber exclusive flavors. So I guess it all just kind of depends on what kind of feedback they get from the subscriber exclusive, on like how good people like them. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm trying to make it make sense, but that one actually smells pretty good. Doesn't smell bad, so I'll let you guys know tomorrow how I like it. Okay, is the other one? Okay, we'll just use this 3/4 cup. I had to reach up. I had to reach up to guys to grab it. Then we're gonna do 4 ounces of milk, and this is like 1/4 cup. So we'll do 3 of these, which would be 3/4 cup. And I use the Fairlife milk because that does have protein in it, so just adds a little bit more protein. I mean, and the oats already have protein. Let me tell you how much that packet has, protein-wise. 20 grams of protein in this one little packet, but I'm only gonna eat half of this packet because I do better with that blood sugar-wise, so I'll be 10 grams protein. But and if you go back, if you go back and watch my videos, or if you've been here for a while, you know that I do hard-boiled, well, like 2 of those hard-boiled eggs, so that adds more protein, so not bad. Okay, I'm gonna finish stirring this up, and then we'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna make the coffee now, which and then after this, I am gonna take my shower. I need to take my medicine. That's gonna be before my shower, so. Should be good. I'm gonna go grab my medicine and we will be back. Not bad. That's not bad at all. I'm trying this like I'm gonna double check though. Yeah, it's Propel. And it doesn't say. Okay, it's okay because it has 0 calories, so and it has 0 carbs, so we're good. Just need to double check. I got because they didn't have like the grape ones, so I'm like, so they got me like they put in they had the substitute, so they got the kiwi strawberry, so it actually tastes pretty good. I like when I take my pills, I need some flavored drink in case they don't go down. So okay, I'm gonna go take a shower. We'll be back. I am out of the shower and I feel so much better, like 10 times better. So well, let's see what my blood sugar is real quick. Technical difficulties. Okay, I'm 89, so I'm gonna have to grab a snack after I get done brushing my hair, because I don't want to go to bed at 89 and then take the risk of going lower. So I mean, it's only 8:44, so it's not quite bedtime yet, but you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, my hair is brushed, so I'm gonna go grab a snack and then we'll be back. I'm plugging in my heated blanket because, like, I don't know, the heated blanket keeps me warm. If you guys don't have one, you guys should get one. It keeps me warm during the winter months. I will turn it on every night. And it helps me sleep so good. Because I'm warm. So, okay, what I wanted to update you guys on. Okay, so now, we're under a state of preparedness. So we have to be prepared for like the storm now, like the snowstorm. So it's supposed to start like Saturday evening, but you know, who knows? With like the weather and everything. But yeah, that's what we're currently under. So keep y'all updated. Let me know like what you guys do when you guys get snowed in. I know, probably gonna be doing. I have my other Legos. Probably be doing my Legos. I can finish my Christmas diamond art. I have a couple things to paint that I want to get done, so we'll probably be doing that. And maybe we'll be watching movies, because who knows how long we're gonna be snowed in for. Plus, on top of that, there's like ice that's supposed to be coming too, so I really don't know. But when it gets here, we will let you guys know. But I am gonna keep my heated blanket on some days, like when we're snowed in, and watch movies, do whatever, you know? Because when it's cold outside, I do not like going outside. Do not like it. I like being warm. Don't like being cold. My arthritis acts up in the cold, so you'll find me here in my bed with my heated blanket on. Yep. But that is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Leave me comments letting me know what you guys have planned for this big snowstorm coming. And like always, I'll see you in my next video. Make it a great one.